Hey, what's up everybody, it's Royce from Pedal Metal. Today I'm going to be installing a spoiler on my wife's new Passat. Well, it's new to her. It's a 2015 Passat 1.8T, and I'll give a quick walk around tour of that car. It's a pretty big vehicle. The legroom in the back is twice of what the size of her 2015 Jetta diesel was, the one that the tree fell on and totaled it. The rear lip spoiler install will be pretty similar to the way the Jetta was, but this time it kind of rides over the back edge. So there's a dealer badge that I wanted to take off anyway that's really annoying, and since the paint right now is kind of warm, hopefully I'll be able to peel it off here with some dental floss. So we'll go ahead here and I'll just show the car quick to you guys, and so let's get started. All right, this is new Passat. It's a 2015 TSI, which this is a 1.8T gasoline motor, and it's the same color. I believe it's the same paint code color as the Jetta was. It's like a Galaxy Gray or something like that, I think it's called. But we gotta get rid of this stupid emblem here. This is horrible. This is really annoying. So I'm gonna take that off. Looks, yeah, right now with it being warm out, I knew it. Hopefully, I was gonna say, I was kind of hoping I wouldn't have to do too much to get this to come off. That's good, because it's a warm day here in Pennsylvania right now. So right now is a good time. I want to debadge some of the back end of my new Volvo as well. So maybe today would be a good day to do that. Wow, this is coming right off. Oh, that was fast and easy. Now I have some Google on here. I can kind of go back over that. I think we'll get that all cleaned up, and that should be it. But here's the rest of the car if you're curious. Nothing really special about it. It's just a huge boat, and she's going to be using for her nursing business. So it's got the light gray interior. Many of them that we looked at, it's just like kind of like her Jetta had the black interior, and that was one thing she didn't like about her Jetta. It just got super hot. So nothing really special about this. There's no sunroof this time for a tree to come through. I need to move the front tires to the back. They're kind of a little worn there, the front tires. But I think it's a nice looking car. Nothing really special about it. She didn't want anything that really stands out. She goes to some pretty bad areas of town, so she didn't want anything too flashy. I might do a gloss black for the calipers. I told her I'd ditch this. I think this is really cheesy. This limited, looks like something you'd find at Pep Boys. The limited badges on it. I don't know if that's factory or not, but really cheesy. But it's not too bad. It's okay. Has a strong vinyl smell on the inside, but that's for sure if you like that. But it seems all right. And she said she's getting like 34 miles a gallon so far, which is pretty decent for a turbocharged car. And it probably weighs a lot too, but she said it takes off and moves out pretty quick. All right, we'll go ahead here and I'll set the camera up on a tripod, and I'll get cracking here with the spoiler install. Okay, got the double-sided tape put on. What I like about this one is it rides on top and bottom of the trunk. The other one, the Jetta, was like the Volvo one had, where it's just like the top. Tape started. Okay, post installation impressions. I think for $38 with free shipping, can't really beat that. I mean, it's pretty cool. I kind of wish the one that I put on the Volvo stuck out this far. I like the way it sticks out. I kind of wish that looks pretty cool, like a mini little ducktail. I wish mine did that. But the ones for the Volvo like that are like $300 some for whatever reason. Definitely getting rid of the plate frame for the dealership looks better as well. And there was a white paint dot in the corner of the glass. I took a razor, scraped that off because that was probably like an auction thing. That's some kind of thing that they do at dealerships. I've noticed that before. You'll see colored dots in the glass. What that is I guess to indicate a car has been detailed or not detailed or prepped or whatever the case might be. You guys might have noticed this is gloss black. That's all I could get, and I actually kind of like the contrast. And here lately I've been seeing a lot more like brand new BMWs with black pieces, and I thought that might be kind of different, but I couldn't get one this time pre-painted in that Galaxy Gray. And she seems to like the gloss black. She just came out. Wife gave like kind of like a seal of approval on it, and she asked if I showed everybody the car. I said yes, sort of. And but I like it. I think it looks pretty good. The trunk is huge on this thing. I want to see here. You can see the trunk. She has all her medical supplies are in the back here. This thing is immense. The trunk space on this thing it's huge, and like I said, the leg room in the back of the car is double what the Jetta was. And something's hitting. It's not gonna hit something. But see here the back. It's loud living by a highway. It's just wonderful. But the leg room is huge. It's double what the Jetta was. And like I said, this is her basically a work vehicle, so didn't really want anything too flashy. But this is made in Tennessee, I believe, in the United States. I thought it was maybe Mexico vehicle like her Jetta was, but it's not. It's made in Chattanooga. So that's pretty cool. So there you go. Thanks for watching me install the rear spoiler on the 2015 Passat TSI. Hope you guys like that. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. And I will have more videos soon. All right. See you guys later. All right. Bye now.